All right. If that's in there too loud for your ear, make I reduce them for
No,
you.
you're not too loud. My pitch, I need to get my pitch
Yes,
strong. My
as you
pitch is
say-
not too
as-
strong.
as
It's
you
strong,
say,
but
you
my
dey bring
pitch
am.
is strong. When they come,
You dey boot.
They come.
Now, we get so many songs we go feel relate with, and then after LOL, then now we dey get album. But now I also want to ask you be no be somebody where be say you don't did radio don't define you, TV define you, everybody define you everywhere. But right now you decide to come on the radio. Really want to know. Now something where be say you plan, Abi, we still dey work with God's time is the best.
Now God's time is the best. Now God's time carry me come here. I don't like interview. I hate radio.
Why?
Because they feel ask you the one question, and you could just say something and it's life, and you know if you take them back.
Waiting be the kind of question where they go ask you where you no go like answer.
Any question, anything, and my own math is not really that good, My math bad. If you ask you questions, if you make you say the wrong thing, and you know go fit take them back.
All right, but the name Naira Marley, yes, where it come from?
And the Naira, as everybody know, like I kind of grew up in UK, so the Naira was me trying not to forget home, and the Naira just came from, I love money, and any pounds I get, I'm gonna turn it back into Naira, and at the end of the day, I'm gonna spend Naira. That's where the Naira came from. And the Marley now is the green thing inside me, the green leaf.
Okay, yeah,
And
are they
the dread.
familiar with green leaves too? I
that-
like broccoli, kale, and all those things. Yes.
It's a green.
And see, Wazobia is green too. So.
It's the.
Yeah. So welcome home. So now the green things
Now the
now.
green thing, and
The way God made them.
and Popsy were there, Jamaica, so Mali, the Mali
Yes.
came in, the African and the Caribbean, British stuff put together. That's where the name came from, Naira Mali.
You've been coming like what did they say? Somebody coming like a breaking ball. You just come in boom, everybody they vibe to you.
Yes, yes.
Mothers, fathers, children, everybody they vibe to your tune and everything. But make I ask you, in the Nigerian industry, in Africa kind of scene, it gets something whatever happened to you make you think like, why they even do this music? Why don't go do something else? And waiting go be that something else where you go do, where go give you the same level of joy where they get with music.
What else would I do? Is making money, like right now, I'm into real estate, and I can say
No, you don't rush me, Naira Marley. You get into real estate now.
Yeah, I've been into real estate, what I mean? That's why I can relax, and I'm doing really good, I'm blessed. So, yeah, that's something else I can do, keep making money. Anything else I do that's making me double money as music, I'll stay to it.
All right, still they wait for that your pigeon to come up.
I don't forget though. Okay, yeah.
Well, then we get so many songs, Superstar DJ Indo. I go like make you give me Joe Dada. But before that time, now make I also talk about some of the, things where they happen around you. I understand you talk say your mouth not really good like that. Me, my mouth not really good, but sometimes when I do radio, it gets good.
Okay.
Now when I come out for radio, it not really good.
Good.
But you get anything where anybody go feel do to you now, right here now, we go feel vex you.
Yes, so.
Something like waiting.
Like stupid questions now, there's some stupid questions
Give me one stupid question. Just tell me now. See what you will feel ask me now will make me vex.
I don't know, man. You just gotta. I don't know. There's always stupid questions. There's always something to,
The things waiting go this stupid one I want to ask. Who be your girlfriend? Naira Marley, who be your girlfriend?
Wait, sure you won't get me mad on purpose?
No.
Why are you going to ask?
Who be your girlfriend? It's not stupid enough.
There we go.
You know that's stupid enough. You know that's stupid enough. Naira, look this side now. Naira, you that shy?
I'm not shy.
Well, no, I'm a Malian.
Where
so
are you?
I don't go if you do anything, we're going to make Malians vex.
Say you don't wait for me. Make I give you one name of my girlfriend. Or make I give you
Jessica,
names.
Jennifer.
You want names or
Shola.
name?
Give me names.
You want names?
Yes.
Make me not do names. Make me leave her before DJ YK go mule. Names or wife.
All right, Lagos is still there here for you, but of course, God's time is the best. And make we hear Joe Dada. Then when we come back, I go like, no, making this particular album, really, the works where we say go down on them. And I actually like, who style you for this album?
I don't
Where
forget
this concept come from? Super dope. I like them. I like the whole look and everything. It bring more classical kind of look.
No.
Yes, and I like the hair also.
I can be a model. I can be model too.
You can be or you be
I
already.
fit be model too.
We they follow you now. How our president go talk say I can be. You already.
I
that.
be model too now.
We they come back Lagos. People they scream yes, Naira Marley in the building, and I dey scream out with you too. When they come back now, still on top the spotlight, superstar DJ Indo, Jodada Sharp.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Hey guys, welcome back. We're still there here with you, with Naira Marley, the president in the building. And of course, you know, say all the Malians don't gather. They don't scream. My WhatsApp don't fool everywhere. Some of them feel beat me up today because we no plan the day. But we do with a surprise you on top of your Chukmouth station. And somebody talks, say, Cheche, how? The president is coming. You didn't mention. Sorry, my love. And somebody says, our president shy? Naira, no. I don't. They say you are blushing. I don't know why. Now because of all of una. Okay, Cheche, always bringing the best in this building. Naira Marley made it to the studio. I am excited. And they watch live on Instagram. Well done, guys. Please ask Naira Marley what's in being favorite dish. Which food way you like to the chop?
Paniyam and okra, or eba and okra. Paniyam or eba.
Okay. And then maybe also talk about this album. Now, when you try to put God's timing is the best. When you try to put them together, I want to know where really at what point when you think say now that name now waiting you go name them. You been get other options or be just first time now the name will come.
I get other option, but I'm gonna look to say the name need to match me, not really the songs. So the name need to match waiting with the happen for my life and something I can relate to. So God Time is the best is what I decided to pick because a lot of things there where they happen for my life.
Tell me a lot of things. Tell me one or two now where they happen. We
no.
are Malians.
Okay, one or two things like when I had my kids, you know, both of my baby moms was pregnant at the same time, you know.
Okay.
You know,
No, you rush me. Both of them been there pregnant
at the same time. Like
okay.
when I had my kids, but and it was like it wasn't the perfect time for me. I was not ready, but it was the perfect time when the baby came. Like God actually had bigger plan for me.
Yes.
I thought it was not the perfect time for me, but he actually is. When the baby came, it was God's time. And then me coming to Nigeria too, it's not my plan. I did not plan.
Because at some point you be they go up and down.
Yeah, because
we see you today, we'll not go see you tomorrow again. You don't
they do one or two that time, so it was God's timing. I no plan to come myself.
Okay.
It was just God's timing. I have to come. That one I can explain more later. I just had to come.
Okay.
At that time that I came, and when I came, I didn't think there was anything for me. And then look, I made it over here in Nigeria, you know. And then talking about EFCC arresting me the day on my birthday, I was meant to leave Nigeria the next day to go back to England, and they came to arrest me on my birthday, which is why.
But that arrest gone safe.
It's God's plan. It's God's plan. It's God's time. You know what I mean? So that's why I said God's time is the best.
That one don't go. But then I see say collaborations and different things where they do, and then looking at Mobad and Zeno also. Tell me how it's going. I know that you get another person C Black. C Black, yes. Where's C Black day? And some other people too.
Yes.
How many people you go feel really count plenty of your talents when you get?
To be honest, I have like maybe 6 or 7 officially that you guys know.
Officially.
That everybody know like.
Papi, please check that mic. It be like they give them stress. Yes, good.
Yeah, so I have like 6 or 7 officially that you guys know, but then again, there's like 14 or 15 of others, other people that's not officially signed, but they're Malian music. You know, they're not signed in the public eye, but they're actually signed and they're Malian music. There's like a lot of us. It's like maybe 14 or so.
Wow! And if nobody ever don't ask, make I ask you, how you they cope? How you they cope with the Malian music? How you they cope with everybody wanting your attention? Everybody want to work with Naira Marley. Everybody want to show up. Because you know why I asked you this question? That's it where you did now, where your dancer been coming here. Yes, we've been do like an interview with him and everything, and he tell us story of how he take meet you. You know, just if you just walk on the street of Lagos and then maybe when you just jump into Naira Marley see say you get talent, the next thing boom, you don't begin to promote you. How you they cope with so many people where they demand so many things from you?
So the thing is that we just have to be friends and a team first. We have to party and have fun. It's more of the friendship first, not friendship first, you know. And then one thing is if you don't belong here, you eventually remove yourself. You know, we're not gonna kick you out, but God has been picking my people for me. You know what I mean? God has been surrounding me with His own people, the people He love. So.
And when people go to hear, sometimes they go say, see, the spirituality, because I know if you count how many times you don't mention God since you enter here. Naira Marley, somebody gonna see you when they plan to start church or something.
No,
because if not church, everybody go come. Forget who go come.
It's not that. Confirm our mobile before you go up. He needs to pray to God. You know what
Yes.
I mean? You know, confirm guy will like girl before you pick girl self. You need to pray to God. Say, God, though, before I go pick the one girl who go give me this. God, you have to pray. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So it's up to people that think, okay, because you're gangster, because you're bad, because of this, you're not allowed to know God. No, I don't know who taught you that. You know what I mean? God knows we're all bad. You know what I mean? So we're all God's children.
14 songs. It don't take so much work to put them down together. Who be the producers where you work with? And any video don't drop for anyone? Because I see say Joe Dada, they resemble.
One they drop, example banger. One video they drop today, like probably 10 minutes of.
In 10 minutes time?
Yeah.
No, give me sign now.
So I'm dropping.
Which one?
Montego Bay. I'm dropping Montego Bay soon. One lovely song, you know.
Now that dance, dance here.
No,
that one I Joe Dada.
That one I Joe Dada.
Okay.
That one still they come because that one people they wait for that one.
Yes.
So I gotta save it till middle time.
You get any favorite track for your 14 songs?
If you start playing Joe Dada now,
yes,
it will be my favorite song because I want you to play it again. If you move to the other one, I will still want you to play it again.
How about Happy?
Happy. If you play Happy again, I want you to move it again. So
I love Happy.
I love all of them. I think what I did with this album is say I put song there when myself go like to hear. So before I release my album, I don't hear my album.
Yes.
So all I did is basically select song where myself go feel here.
See, they said they go deal with me if I don't open the phone lines. I go open the phone lines. People will go they lucky to just say hello to Naira. You just say hello to him.
Yeah.
Mali and the president in the beauty church, I'm finished. You're not finished, darling. You are not. Make I open the phone line. Lagos just say hello to the president Naira Marley in the building. But before that time, what's be the name of your kids?
Josiah, Isaiah, Aisha, Simiat, or you can call them Farouk, Fawaz, Anaya, Aliyah.
You sit down and choose these names.
My dad named them and the mom named them. I didn't gonna give my kids any name.
Why?
Because when I was gonna give them name, my dad said, you think say I me name you. My papa name you, if you name that. I said, okay.
All right. Just say hello and then we go rush out. Your manager don't name on the side. Hello.
Mariam.
What's going on? What happen? Where's
Good
the pop?
afternoon.
I day here, I day.
All right. Another one. Hello. They don't jam the phone line. No. They don't jam them. Now me look for trouble. Hello.
Alpha, what's good?
I hear you, bro.
I hear you. I'm good too.
Yeah.
How everything
I love
go?
you.
Oh yeah, no, I
Oh,
love
shey.
you too.
Last caller.
Hello,
what's
Naira
good?
Marley.
I deal with you now. I deal with you now. God bless you too.
Lagos, thank you so much because of our time. Our time, there plenty for here because ring has run. You know, saying that the first time when they come was Zobia FM, ring the alarm. Yes, you need to hear them. Cheche, thank you so much for bringing that. We will love you next time. Please spend 2 hours. You go try. You go try. But thank you so much. Say you come inside the building.
Thanks for
and we're
having
gonna look out for the album. We're gonna look out for the videos we're gonna drop, and of course all the songs. You know, say they on a roll for here. Please, I need a message for the Malians where they out there.
Stay happy, shejeje. Don't care what people say. Don't be depressed. Have fun. Don't wait for the money to come before you have fun. Go and have fun.
And you go catch the recap on top YouTube, on top Facebook, and of course look out for our Instagram. You get some questions when you answer for there, where we go drop very soon for you to fill them. Naira Marley, it's been a pleasure. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you did miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.